How to download and install Lemon8 app. Want to start using the Lemon8 app, but not sure how? Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Lemon8. Note that this tutorial will demonstrate the steps on an iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Lemon8, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab, then type in Lemon8 at the top. Tap on Lemon8 when it appears in the search results, then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete, then tap Open to start using Lemon8. That's all it takes to download Lemon8. Want to try out another new social app? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.